MarineMax, Panama City Beach, standing in front of, fresh out of the factory, fresh off the truck, a 2020 Boston Whaler 33 Outrage. Give us a few minutes so you can have that new boat smell through 3D here on YouTube. We're going to unwrap the boat, take a closer look inside, and get a smell of that fresh gel coat. Merry Christmas, we got it unwrapped. Standing in front of this Abaco Blue 2020 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. This one specifically has that Abaco Blue hull sides, chrome logos, and silver boot stripe. It's powered by the new Mercury 4-stroke 300 Verados in white. It does have joystick piloting. Highlight feature of this boat is we have gyro stabilizer from Seakeeper, no genset. The new technology on these 4-stroke outboards is strong enough to charge that Seakeeper indefinitely while we're offshore with no worries of a generator staying up and operational. We're going to take a look inside. We'll go through the features of the boat, the benefits of you and your family enjoying a boat of this stature, and take a close look at what everything's included. Hello there! Just down here checking out my rod storage. Wash station on my fully macerated and pump out head. Enormous storage either side. We've got shore power cord, props under here for now for an unrigged boat. But let me hurry out of my little break there and we'll step up to the enormous sun lounge, huge amount of storage, in-floor fish box, optional forward live well, and wraparound seating. You got wonderful low profile stainless grab rails for the length of the boat that I can comfortably step to the front. Fan favorite sun lounge with a crazy amount of storage down below. 5-gallon buckets included, as well as insulated boxes forward. Anchor windlass standard on every single 33 Outrage. As we climb aboard this beautiful Boston Whaler 330 Outrage, we can notice several features that are standard as well as optional. The self-bailing cockpit of the Unsinkable Legend is ready to take water all the way up to the rub rail height and still be safe and still get you home in the walking life jacket or the riding life jacket. There's not a safer boat on the water that looks this good. It is an Unsinkable Legend, but as we look at the rear of the boat, we've got all the room for the in-floor fish boxes, the dance floor for fishing, the integrated stainless tow rails. If we're cruising, we've got a huge flip-up bench seat, live well behind it. As I said, fish boxes in the floor, entertain the crew. You've got a standard dive door that goes all the way to the floor. Huge overbuilt hinges. I mean, look at the size of these puppies. My big butt could sit on this door and we'd be fine. Dedicated storage for the swim ladder there inside the console, but we can get in and out easy. We can pull in monster fish or we can dive and enjoy and have a good time. We've got the beginning of our awesome stereo system powered and tuned by JL Audio. Step up to the rear of the lean post and we've got our bait and prep station. We've got a water wash down. We've got room and beautiful Corian countertops that if we're cutting bait or cutting fish or cutting food, that we've got plenty of room to do so. Move forward to the soft touch marine leather or marine vinyl with a deluxe helm seating, flip up backrest, flip up bolsters, flip up armrest to keep you all separated since you like each other so much. And there is also a step up here to give us another 6 or 8 inches of height. You step into the console of a 33 Outrage. It's a big boat, but it's very nimble. It's hard to not want to go fast in a boat that performs as well as this boat does, but it performs really well with those twin 300s and those new V8s from Mercury, as well as Seakeeper. Key feature for everybody, digital throttle and shift. If you haven't experienced electronic throttle and shift and you don't know how smooth that is, I challenge you to come out and see it. If it's something that you've never had before, don't try it because you'll never want to be without it. You get comfortable running on single lever while we're out plumbing around, and I can run both engines on that single stick, and it's extremely smooth because I'm not fighting a rusty old steering shift cable. Move along to the side, we've got Skyhook, we've got autopilot for heading hold, and most importantly, joystick piloting. Whether we're holding a spot or we're trying to easily get in and out of that really, really tight slip, we've got it. We've got an open canvas here for electronics, up to your choice, as well as that Seakeeper control above next to the overhead electronics box. Hey, I appreciate you helping us unwrap our next Christmas gift, the 2020 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. If you enjoy our content, visit us at MarineMax.com or even on our YouTube page, where you can like and subscribe and get a better look at all of our walkthroughs from 11 feet all the way up to 111 feet. But once again, this is Caleb Peevler, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Visit us at MarineMax.com or check us out at 850-708-1317, and you can come see the boat in person yourself. Thanks again.